Yeah. Drill.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
We do it big and we do it however we like. This how it was made for the real. I swear to God that I'm serious. Me and my team, we be ready to shoot to kill. I told my parents one day I'm about them a clear. They gon' sit in the Beverly Hills. I just want happy to show that I sold out. I swear to God that shit gave me the chills for real. That felt amazing. I'm a rap pop star sensation. They do not know about that. All I really wanna do is live life, give back. I don't really understand why they don't like that. Crib for the family in Beverly Hills. If I said I'm gon' do it, I probably will. And that's real. I got a dream that nobody gets. I'm tryna ride the whole audience, so that arena's my name on it. And no, I ain't acting like Johnny Depp. I done put in the hours of work in my blood, sweat and tears, so I'ma continue to do so. I ain't tryna end up like you too, bro, cause I got the magic like the Russo. I'm interfering, so they all be fearing, cause I'm on my way to head straight to the top. If you just tell her that straight to the listen to this, I guarantee they'll say it's a bot. I wanna earn me respect from the legends and actually blew them all out of their socks. So don't be scared if I come in and make you my target, I'm up in your head with it. We do it big and we do it however we like. This how it was made for the real. I swear to God that I'm serious. Me and my team, we be ready, we shooting to kill. I told my parents one day I'm about them a crib. They gon' sit in the Beverly Hills. I just want happy to show that I sold out. I swear to God that shit gave me the chills for real. That felt amazing. I'm a rap pop star sensation. They do not know about that. All I really wanna do is live life, give back. I don't really understand why they don't like that. Get a crib for the family in Beverly Hills. If I said I'm gon' do it, I probably will. And that's real.
There ain't no capping about what I'm rapping. If I'm saying shit, then it's straight from the chest. I put all my eggs in the basket to make it what's happening. I'm confident I'ma be next. Niggas ain't sharing my passion, that's all I imagine. Proceeding, I follow the steps. I'm kicking this shit like a habit. They dunking and dashing the minute I step on the set. Bitch, no rest. I don't even need no sleep till both arms cross my chest. Wait till I'm dead. That's when I say that they know me. Unfortunate for the regrets. I said what I said. No, they gon' pull up right on me and ball on me.